Hello everyone, my name is Ryan. In this video I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can find backlinks in Semrush. So essentially, if you're looking to uncover high quality backlink opportunities by analyzing what's working for your competitors, then this tutorial is for you. So without much further ado, let's get started. If you're unfamiliar with Semrush, then I have to mention that to use the full capability of the platform, you will need a paid subscription. However, if you use the link in our description box down below, you can try Semrush for 7 days for free. And then after that, if you find out that the platform has provided you with enough value, then you can continue with a paid subscription or cancel at any time. So moving on, once you've logged into your account, you will land on the dashboard for Semrush, which will look like this. And then onto the left toolbar, you want to navigate to the backlink analytics. Click on that and then enter a domain or URL. So from here, we want to enter our target domain. Click on it and then press analyze. And then you will land on the overview report. This is the first thing that you will see after you click analyze. And it gives you a high level snapshot of the site's backlink profile. And this includes a total number of backlinks and the referring domains, backlink growth over time, the top anchor text and categories, referring domain authority distribution, backlink type breakdown, so if it's a text, image, video, etc., and the top linked pages. So right off the bat, we can see that this website has a very toxic backlink profile. There has also been a decline in the backlink growth by 4%, and the referring domains have only increased by 1%. Another thing to note is that if you see a site with a massive spike in backlinks over a short period of time, then that can sometimes be a red flag for spam or low quality links. But in this case, the growth looks pretty sustainable. Another important thing to look at is the backlink types. So as you can see for this website, the majority of the backlink types have been images and there has also been text. Additionally, the categories of the referring domains can tell you a pretty good idea of where majority of those backlinks are coming from. And as you can see for this one, it's mostly business and industrial. There's also the arts and entertainment section. The category distribution is relevant to the site's niche with a heavy focus on the marketing or the industrial topic, which is pretty much what you want to see. Finally, the top linked pages report gives you a quick way to identify which content is driving the most backlinks. And this can be incredibly valuable for reverse engineering your competitors' content strategy and identifying topic ideas that are likely to attract links. And while the overview is great for getting a bird's eye view, the real value of the backlink analytics tool is the backlinks report. And this is where you can drill down and see every single backlink pointing to your target site along with tons of useful data points. Data points such as the linking page title and URL, the anchor text used, domain and page authority, follow versus no follow, and the backlink type. So to get the most relevant data, I recommend filtering for active backlinks only, as lost links won't be impacting the site's current rankings. I also like to focus primarily on the follow links as these pass the most link equity and the SEO value. By default, the report will be sorted by domain authority from highest to lowest. And this allows you to quickly spot the most powerful and authoritative backlinks at the top of the list. For example, right away, you can see that this breakthrough basketball website has backlinks from 69 entertaining talent show ideas for kids. And these are the kinds of links that can really move the needle in terms of rankings and organic traffic. And that works because this website is essentially an educational website for basketball. But don't just focus on the big names when it comes to the websites. There are often hidden gems further down the list that can just be as valuable. The most important thing is that the links are relevant, high quality sites in the niche. Next up on the tab, we have the anchors. So you would have to pay close attention to the anchor text column. The anchor text used in a backlink provides clues about how that site is linking to your competitor and what kind of content or page is being referenced. So in the case of the breakthrough basketball, we see the 100 basketball training drills for players, individual and partner, breakthrough basketball, and the basketball basics. So the good thing is that we can see a lot of branded anchor text like the breakthrough basketball, and this is a good sign as branded links are seen as high natural and trustworthy by Google. So if I was trying to compete with breakthrough basketball, I would definitely take note of these posts and consider creating similar or better content on those topics, with the goal of attracting the same kind of backlinks. Another thing to look at is the specific landing page that each backlink points to. While the homepage will often have the most backlinks, you want to pay extra attention to links pointing to internal pages and the blog posts. Those are often more targeted and valuable as they are being referenced as a source of information on expertise on a specific topic. In contrast, the homepage links can sometimes just be generic references or directory listings. So as you work through the backlink report for your competitor, I recommend keeping a spreadsheet of the most promising opportunities that you find. And for each prospective site, note down key details such as the website name and URL, linking page URL, domain and page authority, contact name and email if available, and notes on link type and anchor text. Then once you've compiled a solid list of targets, you can start your outreach campaign and begin building relationships with these sites. I highly recommend that you focus on creating genuine value and building long-term partnerships rather than just going for the quick wins. And don't be afraid to get creative with your outreach approach. In addition to standard guest post pitches, you can also offer things like original research or data to cite in an article. And the key is to always be thinking about how you can help the other site and their audience, not just how they can help you. And this was a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful and informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.